Guys, in this video I showed you how to remove acne, blemishes and pimples from your face. Guys, watch till the end to see the ingredients I used and how to apply them. If this sounds so interesting to you and is what you want to watch, then you have to continue watching. Let's dive right into the video. Hi guys! Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite mama Adakens in the building. Yes, in the building. In this video, I want to show you guys how I intend to remove this my acne, and my face is just rough. Guys, I'm bringing close to the camera. Fam, look at my real face. Can you see my real face? This is my face without any foundation, powder, mention it. So guys, we are in a season of love, a season of celebration, and trust me, your girl does not want to carry last. I don't want to carry last. So guys, that's why I bring to you this my super method. Guys, this is my first time, okay? Someone introduced me to this and I want to try it out. I decided to carry my family along. What our family is from? Let's test this natural ingredient on my face and see if it's gonna remove my pimples, my acne. Yeah guys, you can see that. So let's take a look at this. I will be doing this DIY for 7 good days. Yeah, this is a natural DIY remedy for 7 good days, and let me see if my face is gonna be smooth, if my face is gonna be free of acne and all that stuff on the face. Yeah, I want to achieve a baby face, a spotless, a spot-free face. Yeah, I want my face to be spotless and look very, glassy, beautiful. So guys, let me carry you through this video. Don't go anywhere. Stay till the end of this video so that you will see all the things I'm going to apply on this face. Before we go right into the video, hi, hello people. Why have you not subscribed to my channel? Why? Please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, like, comment, share me out. Fam, share me out, okay? Hit that red subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that whenever your girl uploads a new video, you will be the first to get notified. You heard that, right? Yeah, that's just it. So guys, subscribe and let's be fam. Remember, we've spread a lot of positivities in here. You don't want to miss out. So guys, the first ingredient I will be using is my fresh tomato. So if you want to achieve a spotless that is free of acne, smooth and everything you can think about, please always rub this on your face every blessed day. This is very helpful. So guys, so the first thing I will be doing is to cut my fresh tomatoes into 2 like so. That's it. I will cut my fresh tomatoes like this, and I'm going to scrub that on my face. So guys, I will scrub this on my face and it will stay on my face for like 10 minutes, okay, before I will apply the main ingredients. So I will outline the importance of fresh tomato on the face right now as I'm applying this. Come with me. Tomatoes are a rich source of antioxidant known as lycopene, which has a large number of health benefits. Tomatoes are a potent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. Guys, this is what tomatoes does on your face. It helps in skin lightening, it removes pimple and acne, it reduces oiliness, it reduces blackheads, it tightens skin pores, anti-aging, makes skin supple, treats sunburn, and a whole lot of others. Guys, when applying tomatoes on your face or any natural DIY on your face, make sure you include the neck region. In such a way your face will not be different from your neck. Yes. So guys, you can see how my face looks like. So guys, that's my face. So guys, like I said, this will stay on my face for good 10 minutes. So while this is staying on my face and I'm allowing it to work, let's quickly go and prepare the major ingredients that will be coming on this face. So fam, this is the list of all the ingredients I will be using for this DIY, okay? Here is the half cut of the fresh tomato. This was the one I applied on my face. Yeah, I don't want to use this again, okay? And I'm assuming the juices have all gone out, so I want to use this half cut, okay? Then I will be using some Irish potato. Yeah, I will wash it, peel off the back. This is rice flour. Yeah, so if you don't have a rice flour, I will leave the link on the description box on where you can get this original rice flour on Amazon. So this is my rice flour. This is my honey farm, pure honey. You can see that pure honey. This is my honey. I will be using some yogurt, okay? Some yogurt. Just make sure it's unsweetened yogurt. I will be using some yogurt, and I will be putting in just a little lemon into this. So guys, let the prep begin. Come with me. So guys, that's my potato. I just finished peeling the back of my potato. So I want to cut it into tiny shapes, okay? Because I will be blending all of this together. So guys, the next thing I will need is my fresh tomato. So guys, that's it. Okay, the blender. So fam, that's my blender. That's my blender. I'll be pouring in that. Okay, remember, I need the juice of these two. So watch me. Watch me. Watch me. So guys, I am done blending our tomato and potato. This was what I got. So guys, I want to squeeze that out. Remember, we need the juice. So I want to bring out the juice of. You can see that fam. So I will be squeezing some lemon now. So I will be squeezing out little lemon. I don't want to have too much lemon in this. Can you guys see that? So that's okay for me. Receiving this, I want to give a big shout out to my brother. Yes guys, my brother is into building construction. I will put his number on the screen. Okay guys, if you want to build any house of any type, contact Chibike. Contact him guys, contact him. He is very good in what he is doing. Yeah, I will link his phone number on my screen now. Yeah, guys, anything construction and building, anything at all that have to do with building, guys, call on my brother and he will give you the best. Yeah, he will give you the best. Okay, that's the juice. So the next thing I want to throw in is my rice flour. So guys, that's my yogurt. Remember, I said you should use unsweetened yogurt. Guys, this one I'm making will last me for 2 good days or more. Let me see how long it's gonna last me. Yeah, so that's my yogurt. Okay, then the last but not the least is our honey. Guys, I would have done a turmeric face mask, okay? But trust me, I don't like applying turmeric like that on my face. He used to leave colors on my face that I don't like. Guys, that's original honey. I just took 1 teaspoon of honey. That's the whole concoction. Okay, so everything is here. So let's go and get that on my face. So guys, that's my storage container. I will pour this into that and cover it for the one I will use the next day. This will be enough for me now. This is enough for the moment. So guys, I will cover this and store it in my refrigerator for the next day. Please store it in the refrigerator. So guys, your girl is back. Okay, yeah, I am back. Guys, look at my face. You can see how shiny it is. Just the application of the fresh tomato. Yeah, fresh tomatoes works. So guys, you will want to spare one of your brushes for this. Yeah, so let's start applying our face mask. Potato is used to remove hyperpigmentation such as acne, dark spots and blemishes. Potato also has skin tightening properties. Also, potato boosts a collagen production. Lemon is an antioxidant that is full with vitamin C. Lemon also boosts a collagen production. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It's very good to remove blemishes and acne. Honey is also very good to remove anti-aging and very good for the skin. Yogurt is enriched with vitamin A, vitamin E. It also contains lactic acid, which will help to nourish the skin. Yes, yogurt is very good for the skin. Guys, make sure to massage this very well on the affected area. The neck region is not left out, as you can see me applying that in the video. Yes, and let's see how this is gonna work. So guys, take a look at my face and my whole body. Guys, I'm gonna carry this for good 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. So that all the ingredients will infuse inside my face. Yeah. So guys, I will see you guys when I wash off my face. Okay? So see you guys later. So guys, this is what my face looks like. Okay, it's 30 minutes now. Okay, so I'm gonna wash off my face and I will come down and show you guys what it looks like, the final outcome. So yeah guys, I just take my shower. I'm about to sleep. Guys, take a look at my face, see what my face looks like. Guys, to my honest review, this is just the first day and I must tell you that my face is just looking so smooth. Yeah, my face is just looking so smooth. Yeah, while I'm touching it, it's not rough. So this is just the first day. You can see that. So guys, that's my face. So guys, this is just the first day and I'm feeling so fresh and I don't know. Okay, so you can see my neck as well. All the places I apply this DIY are just so fresh. I just took my bath and I tried to wash off my face, but I wasn't feeling comfortable. I felt there are still some of this thing left. I just decided to take my bath at once. I wanted to just wash my face and come and show you guys. So I just decided to take my bath at once. So guys, this is a must try. Okay, so on the 7th day, I'm gonna show you guys the final review and you guys gonna see what my face is looking like. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, so don't forget, I love you all. Yeah, if you watched to this moment, trust me, you are the real MVP. Your girl is grateful. Your only baby girl that is always in the building. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to check out my brother Okay, he's good at what he does. Yeah, he's good at what he does. Any building project at all, entrust it to him and have peace of mind, and he will give you the best. So guys, at this junction, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you that are watching me, that stayed at this moment. Just know that the love is from the depth of my heart. I love you guys, and thank you for tuning in as always. Much love. Bye guys. Oh,